Good morning, children. Now, today I am going to start worksheet 5 of chapter 2. In the previous class, I have discussed about question number 1. Now, let's start question number 2. Find the difference between. Here I am dealing with the 6-digit numbers. So, A 6,54,372 and 1,28,453. So this 6,54,372 is a minuend and 1,28,453 is a subtrahend. So firstly we will write down this number in a place value chart. So let's start to write down this 6,54,372 first. So 6,54,372, it is written first, and then this is minuend, and 1,28,453 is a subtrahend. It is written below this minuend in a place value chart. Now according to the rule of the subtraction, let's start the subtraction from the ones column. So in ones column we have to subtract 3 ones from the 2 ones. It is not possible because 2 is less than 3. So we have to borrow from tens column. So we borrow 1/10 from 7/10, and this 1/10 is converted into 10 ones, and this 10 one is added with 2 ones and it will become 12 ones. Now come to the tens column. We borrow 1/10 from the 7/10. So 7/10 will be reduced to 6/10. Now we come to the ones column. We subtract 3 ones from the 9 ones. So how many ones are left? 9 ones are left. So I put down 9 in the ones column. Now subtracting in the tens column, I subtract 5 tens from 6 tens. So how many tens are left? 1 tens. I put down 1 in the tens column. Now coming to the hundreds column, subtracting hundreds column, I will subtract 400 from 300s. It is not possible because 300 is less than 400. Then what you will do? We will borrow from thousands place value. We will borrow 1000 from 4000, and this 1000 will convert it into 10 hundreds, and this 10 hundreds will be added with 300s, and 300 now will become 13 hundreds, and in thousands column 1000 is taken away, so 3000s are left. So now we subtract 400s from 1300s, so we get 900. So 9 is written in the hundreds column. Now we come to the thousands column. We subtract 8000 from 3000. It is not possible, so we have to borrow from 10,000 column. So I borrow 1/10,000 from 5/10,000. This 1/10,000 will convert it into 10,000 and is added with 3000, and 3000 will become 13,000. And coming to the 10,000, 1/10,000 is taken away from 5/10,000, so 4/10,000 will be left. So we subtract, coming to the thousand column, we subtract 8,000 from 13,000, so 5,000 is left. We put down 5 in the thousand column. Now come to the 10,000 column. We subtract 2/10,000 from 4/10,000. So how many 10,000s are left? 2. We put down 2 in the 10,000 column. Now coming to the lakh column, we subtract 1 lakh from 6 lakhs. So how many lakhs are left? 5 lakhs. So we put down 5 in the lakhs column. So in this way the difference is 5,25,919. This is the result. Now let us take another example. We subtract 9,76,517 and 5,28,753. Now children, I am going to subtract 9,76,517 and 5,28,753. Now let's write down firstly, this is minuend, 9,76,517, and now below the minuend I am writing subtrahend 5,28,753. Now putting the difference sign, now I am doing the subtraction. According to the rule of the subtraction, we will start from the ones column in the place value chart. So we subtract 3 ones from 7 ones. We get 4 ones. We put down 4. And now come to the tens column. We subtract 5 tens from 110. It is not possible, so we have to borrow from 100 column, we borrow 100 from 500. So 100 is converted into 10 tenths and it is added with 110. So 110 is added with the 10, it will become 11 tenths. Now we subtract 5 tenths from 11 tenths, we get 6 tenths. So we put down 6 in the tenths column. Now come to the 100 column, we borrowed 100 from 500, so 5 will be reduced to 400. Now we subtract 700 from 400. It is not possible, so we borrow from 1000. We borrow 1000 from 1000 column, and then 1000 is converted into 1000 and 1000 is added with 400, and 10 plus 4 it will become 1400, and in 1000 column the 6 will be reduced to 5 because we borrow 1000 from 6000. Now we subtract 700 from 1400, we get 700. 700 is left, we put down 7 in the hundreds column. Now coming to the 1000 column, we subtract 7000 from 5000. It is not possible. Again we have to borrow from 10,000. We borrow 10,000 from 10,000, and 10,000 will be converted into 10,000 and it is added with 5,000. So 5,000 will become 15,000. Now we can subtract 8,000 from 15,000. We get 7,000, and 7 we put down 7 in the 1000 column. Now we have borrowed 10,000 from 10,000, so 10,000 will be reduced to 10,000. Now we subtract 10,000 from 10,000, so 10,000 is left, we put down 10,000. In lakhs column we subtract 5 lakh from 9 lakhs, so we put down 4 lakhs. So in this way 4,47,764 is the difference. Now let's discuss question number 3. Question number 3 is perform the following subtraction and check the answer. So we have to firstly perform this subtraction. So this is minor n, this is subtrahend. So we will arrange this minor n and subtrahend in the place value chart. Firstly we write minor n 9347, and then we write subtrahend 1251, and putting the difference sign, we firstly subtract it from the ones column. 7 ones is subtracted to 1 1, so we get 6. Write down 6 here. We subtract 5 tenths from 4 tenths. It is not possible. We borrow 100 from the 100 column, and 100 will convert it into 10 tenths, and it is added with 4. So 10 plus 4 14, and 300 will be reduced to 200. So we borrow 5. We subtract 5 tenths from 14 tenths. So we get 9 tenths. Now here 2 is subtracted from 2, so we get 0, and in thousands column 1 is subtracted from 9, so we get 8. So we have to check whether this subtraction is correct or not. So for checking, there is a formula, is that minuend is equal to difference plus subtrahend. So here minuend is the number from which we do the subtraction. So here 9347 is the minuend, and the subtrahend is 1251 is a subtrahend, and 8096 is a difference. So let's check it. We firstly write down this difference here. Firstly we write down difference 8096, and then we write down below this difference we write down subtrahend 1251, and then we add them. So when we are adding them, we get 6 plus 1 7, 9 plus 5 14, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1 3, and 8 plus 1 9. So all of you see that this minuend we get at last minuend, this 9347. So here this formula minuend is equal to difference plus subtrahend. It is proved. So it is checked. Okay children. Now let's come to the another question. The question is question number 4. Find the difference between the largest number of 5 digit and the smallest number of 3 digit. So difference means we have to subtract. Okay, so largest number of 5 digit is 99,000 999 is the largest number of 5 digit. We have to subtract smallest number of 3 digit, that is 100. So we have to do subtraction. Let's subtract 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 1 8. Now here the places is empty. Below 9 it is 0, below 9 I will write 0. So 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9. So this is the result. And we can check it also. We can, if we add 100 with this result, this is difference. So we add it. 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 0 9, 8 plus 1 9, 9 and 9. In this way, this is the minuend, this is the subtrahend, and this is the difference. In this way we can check it also. So this is the result after finding the difference between the largest 5 digit number and the smallest 3 digit number. The answer is 99,899. Bye bye children, have a nice day.